Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open your own email account. For this tutorial I'm using Yahoo. So first thing you do is type in the website. Then it'll open the website for you. And then you go to Mail. And then, since you don't have an account, you go to Don't Have an Account, Sign Up. And then you can create your first account. So you need a phone number for this. So if you don't have a phone number, you might want to register for one. But yeah, so now I'll use this format to type in my details. It's not my real details, but I'm just putting in some random information. Let's say that your new email address can be and you can see if it works. You can only use letters, numbers, full stops, and underscores in your username. Okay. Oh, that's because I've typed this in. So you can just say Planet X. If it doesn't exist, you can just put in something else that you can remember. So let's say planet_x12. You can make the password as anything you want. I'm going to make the password as QWERTY. And then now you might want to use your phone number. So select the country. If you're from Mongolia, use Mongolia. If you're from Senegal, use Senegal. I'm currently in the United Arab Emirates, so I will use this number. Then you choose your birth month, any random. You choose your gender. And they say my login password isn't strong enough, so I'll change it to something a little stronger. Okay. Not going to tell you the password. And there you go. So your name, your surname, your new email ID, your password, and your phone number in case they want to send you a verification code, your birth date, and your gender. And you click on continue. Now they'll send me a number. Text me an account key. So they'll send me a verification number, and I just need to add it in so that I can get it verified. So my number is 33271. I'm going to verify it. So it says that now I'm a proud owner of a brand new Yahoo account. So you click on continue. And it has a little greeting message for you. Welcome to Yahoo. And here, there's a little tutorial for you. So we can skip that for now because hopefully this tutorial will be more helpful. You can click on show images because it always hides the images just in case. So you can see this little girl over here. And it says, congrats, your Yahoo username is planet_x12. And you can read all about this once you create your account. So that's phase one of creating an account. Now suppose you want to send an email, maybe a resume for a job, or like pictures to your friends abroad, or anything that you want to send, some jokes, anything. So you click on compose. And suppose you want to send a family picture to your friends abroad. So you'll type in your email address that you want to send it to. So it's to. So that means you're sending it to somebody. So I'll type in an email address. Oops. So when you make a mistake like this, the website makes sure you know by highlighting it in red. So I made a mistake, so I'll just start typing it again. So that's the email address that you want to send it to. And you can send multiple emails. Suppose you don't want this person to see who else you're sending the emails to. You can always send it on a blind carbon copy. So suppose I want to send the email here, I'll just put another email here. And you can make so this person would know that this person can see the email as well. And you can make the subject as anything you want, depending on your content. And you can write a small message as well. And you can also customize your fonts. Like you can make it bold, italicize it, and you can even change the color. And you can even change the font size and the font type. So I'll make it large. That's the font size. So there's my little message. And now suppose you want to have an attachment. So either you can drag it from your desktop, or you can click on this little attachment pin. Click on attach. You click on the photo that you want. And just wait for the loading symbol to stop. And once you can see a little miniature image of your actual image, that's when you know it's loaded. Now all you need to do is click send. So this way your email will be sent with the attachment that you want. And just to make sure that it's sent, you can always go to the sent folder. And you can see that it's been sent. You can go here for your inbox if you've received any emails. These are for all the emails that you haven't read yet. These are for the drafts, as in the emails that are still under construction. And here's your sent, saying that it's already been sent. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hopefully you guys learned how to make your own email account and send pictures to your loved ones. Thank you.